Hi Carrie, this is Jackie in Walla Walla, and I thought I would make you a quick screencast to show you what I'm running into. As you saw in the email, I also put in some page captures of the pages I'm running into. So starting here on the Heal Log page, I've done two things. One, of course, is I just tried to log in. I also took a look at the Getting Started page as well, and neither one are working. So when I click Log In, it's completing my UW-Net ID. Sign in, and I'm getting this login error page. And if I read this page, as you can see, I've tried to log in with a net ID that has not been affiliated. And so that's what I seem to be unable to do is affiliate. So when I, follow this link, let's verify your identity through Heal Law. Of course, I can put in my name and date of birth, but since I'm not, you're giving me special access, I don't have a credential number. So that's the only way I've been able to see to try, in a sense, authenticate in my access to the Heal Law system. I think I looked at something else too under the main page, the Getting Started, and it looks like I might also, this is a new requirement on the email address on file with the DOH in order to register, and they probably don't have my email on file either since I'm not credentialed. But anyway, on the Getting Started, yep, I have a net ID. Again, it's that Heal Law affiliation number that I think is the hitch. So, yeah, that's the only thing. And I haven't received any email or forwarding that gave me any sort of form or anything to complete, something that would allow me to do that. So I hope this helps explain what I'm running into. Sometimes it's better to just see where things are getting tripped up. So anyway, thank you again.